Greetings, this is Edward Ojambo. Ojambo.com has an article about PHP web development without the web server. So the link is ojambo.com/php-web-development-without-web-server. You will need PHP at least 5.4 in order to follow along with this tutorial, and those all the instructions as usual are at ojambo.com. You can go and visit and copy the code and just follow along. So if you ever need help with computer programming help for, in this example, PHP, HTML, CSS, or Java, you can always visit ojamboservices.com. That's ojamboservices.com in the Toronto, Ontario area. Let's begin the tutorial. So I have a folder here. It can be any folder anywhere you want on your desktop. So I'm going to create a test folder. We're going to use that later, but in this particular example, we're going to use the PHP web as our web root. So you can use HTML, but I'll use PHP just to show you that PHP actually does work. So I'll call this the index.php file, and just the title just be ojambo.com, PHP web development without web server. And then I'll use some h1 tags, which is pure HTML, PHP development. Now, because HTML works without really having HTTP server, what I'll do is I'll also create PHP. So this will only be output if PHP exists. So made by PHP, just show that PHP does work. Save it as index.php. Then what we can do on the command line, we're gonna type in the path of where I want the web root to be. First we'll find the PHP version, which is 5.4 at least minimum, and then just type PHP -s localhost :8000, and that will be the listening port. So in a browser, you just type localhost and :8000. You can see there's absolutely nothing there, so I've not refreshed. There we go. PHP development made by PHP does work. Now if you have multiple applications, you can put all of them into one specific folder. So in this case, what I'll do is I'll move our index.php into the test folder, just for the purpose of this tutorial, to make it a little bit faster. Then what I'll do is, to show you that it actually does work, is I'll open up our it's just PHP -s localhost :8000 -t for the, and then the folder will be test. And we go back again. See, nothing's changed. So, but to show you that it actually does work, so what I'll do is I'll open up that index.php file and make a few open it up in here in my Guinea favorite editor. Then what I would do is I'll add a new tag and show you testing from the test folder that it actually does work. Now you can go up and just refresh the page, and you can see it says testing from the test folder. It does work. So remember, I hope you find this information useful. The tutorial can be found at ojambo.com. Please visit and leave feedback.